Place Braava on the floor within 2 to 2.5 meters of the North Star navigation cube, facing toward the cube. Turn Braava on using the power button. The button will light up blue when the robot is on. To start cleaning with a dry cloth, just press the sweep button. To start cleaning with a wet cloth, just press the mop button. When Braava finishes cleaning, it plays a short song, returns to where it started, and parks itself. Braava will also do this if the battery runs low while cleaning. To turn Braava off, press the power button for 2 seconds. A tune will play and the light will turn off.
Microfiber Wholesale's professional microfiber mop will make the dreaded chore of cleaning your floors quick and easy. Designed by cleaning professionals, it efficiently leaves floors sparkling without a mop bucket or harsh chemicals. Now it's available to you so you can quickly clean your hardwood, laminate, tile, and stone flooring like a pro. Microfiber Wholesale's mop will truly make your life easier. Microfiber cleans more effectively than old, outdated cleaning methods, and our microfiber cleans better than other brands. In just a few minutes, you can clean your floors and move on to the more important things in your life. Each mop includes one of our Mojave microfiber dust mops. Quickly gather up all of the dust and dirt that collects on your floors with ease. When you need a deeper clean, use our premium microfiber wet mop pads. 2 are included. All you need is water. Mops pads are machine washable and will last hundreds of washings, so you can eliminate the need for costly disposable cleaners like Swiffer. Now you can clean any hard flooring surface deeper, more quickly, and with no hassle whatsoever. Join the tens of thousands of satisfied Amazon customers who are cleaning like pros.
Welcome to O-Cedar's ProMist Max Spray Mop, the ultimate cleaning tool that combines both performance and convenience. Cleaning is a breeze with the Mop's fine mist sprayer and easy-release refillable bottle. The 360-degree microfiber swivel head allows for great cleaning maneuverability. The ProMist Max lets you clean longer without stopping with its larger frame that enables 2 times more cleaning surface. Simply flip the mop and continue cleaning. The embedded scrub zone in the microfiber pad firmly scrubs and removes the toughest dirt. For an easy and effective clean, follow 3 simple steps. Fill the bottle with water and add 2 teaspoons of your favorite cleaning solution. Spray and clean. ProMist Max is convenient and cleans better, faster, and deeper. The ProMist Max can be used on all types of hard surfaces. Machine washable, the mop head is both economic and eco-friendly. Rather than continuously buying single-use disposable refills, the mop head can be reused multiple times. Get the job done quickly, easily, and with the utmost confidence when you use O-Cedar's ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop.
If you're experiencing little or no steam, here are some tips. Your water tank may be empty. Refill your water tank before plugging in. Next, check to see if your foot is securely in place. Press the colored foot pedal on the back and lift the body off. Then reattach until it clicks into place. Make sure you are using a working outlet. You will know if the ready light begins to blink when plugged in. Wait for the blinking light to go solid. Then you will press the Steam On/Off button and select a steam level. An important thing to remember is that you will not see an abundance of steam coming from your PowerFresh Deluxe, as the steam is directed toward the floor to deliver the best cleaning results. Next, check your scented disc tray. Push it all the way in until it's flush. We hope these quick tips get steam back with your PowerFresh Deluxe.
Life gets messy. Let the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System help you get a deep clean easier than ever before. Its innovative hands-free wringing system lets you wring your mop with only the push of a pedal. The 100% microfiber mop head gets rid of all that dirt and grime. Whether you're short or tall, the handle adjusts from 33 to 51 inches. Great for all hard floor surfaces. To keep neat and tidy, the splash guard keeps potential splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing. The pivoting head allows you to get around and under furniture. clean the hard-to-reach corners with ease with the unique triangular-shaped head. The EasyWring Spin Mop from O-Cedar. Give it a whirl.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.